brush. Oh, thank God these shoes come with Christmas colors. Red, green. Merry Christmas. Too bad the soles are not red and green. Limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. Michael Jordan. Cool. Oh, what's up, YouTube? Liam from Sneaker Clinic. That's all. Just have a safe and wonderful holiday. By the way, if you guys are curious, this is the Air Jordan 1 Zooms that no one cares about. It's all reflective. Let me show you right now. Can you guys see? 3M upper. No, you guys can't. This was a failure. That is all I got to say. I am in no rush. I need to go. I don't know where I'm going. Of course, always be safe. Wear the Made in China fake N95 mask. Alright, I'm gonna grab these shoes. We're gonna go. Stay tuned and follow us on Instagram. Yeah, I'm done with this.